Hello and welcome to another video. Today we are going to take a look at another icstation.com product. Today it is the Funduino Mega 2560. But before we take a look at the actual product, let's, as always, just take a look at the icstation website and see what the product has to offer. Okay, so let's see, my camera is hopefully going to focus. That's fine. So, that is the product page, Funduino Mega 2560 ATmega2560-16AU Board, compatible with Arduino, of course. Here we have a product picture. Well, as you'd expect, you get the Funduino and a free USB cable. Let's just take a quick look at the specs. Oh, and also, it's on sale right now, so you can get it for just $16.25. If you compare that with the price for the official Arduino Mega, that is a very big money saver. So, let's see. You have 54 digital input pins, 14 of which can be used as PWMs. So, let's take a look at the board. As you can see, up here are our PWM inputs. Furthermore, we have 16 analog inputs, so that's those over here, and 16 MHz crystal oscillator, of course a USB connection and a power jack, here, an ICSP header as you'd expect, and of course the reset button. As the name implies, it runs on the ATmega2560 at an operating voltage of 5 volts. You can input between 7 and 12 volts, that's the recommended voltage, but you can, if you really have to, also input 6 to 20 volts. Okay, and well, of course you have those other specs, which I'm not interested in right now. Okay, so now I'll just put you right back onto the tripod. Camera focus, put away my tablet, and let's have a look at the actual product. So, you see that? Well, not too well. Wrong way around. Well, that is the product. As I've said, it also came with this free USB cable. You tend to buy up quite a few of those if you buy Arduinos from Chinese suppliers. But yeah, it's always nice to have a USB cable, and of course you need it to connect your Arduino to your computer and use the official software. Now, of course, an important question to ask is, that product is way cheaper than the official Arduino. Can it stand up to the quality? Is it good enough for someone who initially thought he'd want to use the official Arduino? And I can certainly say yes, it is. The product is of course a clone. The Arduino is an open source hardware platform. As such, the hardware of this device is almost identical to that of an actual official Arduino you'd buy. So on the hardware side there is no difference. We're going to take a look at the build quality in a sec. But another thing to mention is of course the software. A very important part of the Arduino ecosystem is of course also the software. And as you might already know, you can use the official Arduino software with this, and so there is no disadvantages on that side either. So, as I've said, we are going to talk about the build quality as well. And I've had many Arduino clones before, and sometimes the build quality really isn't that good. You know, the headers aren't really tightly soldered in, they are quite loose, you can move them, they make sounds when you touch them. You know, the button isn't soldered in correctly, the solder joints are not good, but with that product, that certainly isn't the case. I was very surprised when I received that product. The build quality is actually quite amazing. As you can see, I can try and wiggle the headers, no chance. The solder joints are very, very tight. Very good. The button is certainly soldered in well. The ICSP header, no problems. The power jack all that is very good. If you want to take a look at the solder joints, you can see they are certainly adequate. I've seen much worse solder joints on Arduino clones, that's got to be said. Yep. My camera, of course, doesn't want to focus. Let's see if we can get it to. Come on. Yeah. I'm sorry for that. But my phone camera doesn't really want to focus. But I can tell you that these solder joints are very surprisingly good. I was, as I've said, very impressed when I received that product. So I'm not going to show you how to program that device. If you know how to program an Arduino, it is the same for that one. All you have to do is you have to download the Arduino software from arduino.cc. Then you type in your code, you select the board Arduino Mega from the menu, select your USB serial port, press upload, and really you're set. That is certainly no problem. I can tell you that this product works very well. No problems on that part. So yeah, to conclude, I can say that this product is really a very well built product. If you want to buy an Arduino Mega, certainly consider this as an alternative, because it is way cheaper than the official Arduino Mega, and it certainly lives up to its pace. It is equal quality. I can definitely say that. So, well, that's it. Thanks again for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have any more questions, please feel free to ask them in the comments. If you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to learn more and see more videos of me, please subscribe to this channel. I hope to see you soon. Bye.